Hey guys, welcome to my channel Tech Bidda. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to fix microphone not working problem on Windows 11 or 10. If your mic is not working, then keep watching the video till the end, cause in this video you will get a solution to fix this problem. So let's start the video. In this video, I will show you two methods for fix these types of problem, and also these two methods will work on both Windows 10 and 11. Okay, so what you need to do here, just click on Start button and then go to your Windows settings. After go to the settings option, it can be Windows 10 or 11. You have to just find out here privacy and security option. In my case, as you can see here in the left menu, I have got privacy and security option. So just click on it and here scroll down and find out microphone option. Once you get microphone option, just go to this option. Now make sure here microphone access option is turned on. If you see here this option is not enabled, then turn on this option. Okay. After that, make sure this second option is also enabled. Now what you need to do, here you can see there are options that you can on off microphone in specific application. Let's say I want to get access of microphone in my WhatsApp application, then I have to make sure this option is turned on. If you see this option is not enabled, then turn on this option. Okay, so in which application you are unable to access microphone, like this way you have to check this application. Okay, if you see that all of these settings are okay, but still you cannot get access of your microphone, then let's move to the second method. In this method, you all have to do is just click on Start button, then search here Control Panel. After that, you will see here Control Panel. Go to the System Settings. Then here you can see Hardware and Sound. Just click on it. Now click on Sound option. After that, you can see playback option for output sound, but we don't need this option. We have to just click on recording option. Now you will see here your all microphone. Which microphone you want to use, you have to set it default. Okay, so here you can see my first microphone is set as default microphone. Suppose I want to use this second microphone. This second microphone is my built-in laptop microphone. So here what you need to do, just click right button on this microphone and then click on set as default device. Then here click on properties. After that, go to the levels and here maximize these two volume. If you see this volume is not maximized, then maximize this. Then click on OK. After that, I hope your problem will be fixed. So friend, if you think this video is helpful for you, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and also hit the like button of this video. Thanks for watching this video.